They talk me happen, country people, them wonderful kind situation. Nigeria, they cry. Yes, Nigeria, they cry now. It cry with it. Nigeria, they cry. A big writer and political activists where they teach for one big university for America. They Chinua Achebe don't die. Chinua Achebe don't die. And what did really happen for e country people them? They talk about Chinua Achebe. Now they write that book where they call and say things fall apart. Yes, things fall apart. Chinua Achebe don't die. We'll show now some of the picture them. For him, we go for hospital, this hospital where they call and say Sebek Hospital for Bonaberry. When now what happened for them? So mommy were 62 years old. How the thing can take place? It begin them abandoning right from that side for loom them. And then tell it don't talk, say don't die. Picking a camp can take die body. Go bury him. We go here. Wait, when they talk about it, it matter country people then. Latentini Hospital, which happen all that people the way they broke where they sell for front Latentini Hospital them. Now so people them for community event they don't come broke and chakaram this night country people them. We take now go for a side for ancient troisième where they build etage for on top container country people them. Fire burn for place where they call them. See this one for Castle Farm burns one big compound for them. Fire to burn from Gaundere. Now they put the gas, we catch fire, burn past Max Sute. As I talk about that one now, Abbé Jean-Claude, when a copeléton routier ton sapeur pompier for the country people them. We go back for Boya, we chief them for Fako de Hondongamen for talk about Palava for that Matute Gabriel Bonde will be killing Papa said they go drive the whole family from back where the land country people them. Rain too, it wait for Buddha Day, Chakra place and pass mark for day and a mystic tree there for better country people them. Assalamu alaikum. This one a Pigeon TV News, Equinox Television with me as Ekuleku Imam Mudibo. Masa talk to read Alhamdulillah. Like I'm good country people, them not stop fine. Make una to talk with Cap, the bend, go na sideways head to the go. Same story for today. Cap, the bend, na for sideways head to go. Cap, the bend, na for sideways head to the go. Thank you plenty. Summer bless when I praise for youth them for new day to day. Thank you sincerely too for the support for that side day for this Michael and Madame Bakari for until Lock Place Social TV Day. We're not doing enough on a talk with the country people then. Things fall apart and the center can no longer hold. For French, they call and say Le Monde s'effronte. The person will be write this book, the Nigerian man. He will teach for some big university for America. A name, Chinua Achebe. He don't die. Some of you photo, like this. Chinua Achebe, like this country people them. He don't die. As we hear they talk about them for this kind of issue and this palaver and so. Chinua Achebe died for America. They say don't seek for long time. Every write that book say things fall apart as they talk about them for this whole country. People wonderful kind of palaver and things that will come. They talk about Chinua Achebe. Say this so. It don't die now for the sake for America. They don't seek for now 1 month this today. Where Chinua Achebe be sick for that side for America Day, it all has died for the Naira book. They call and say things fall apart and plenty other book they say the center can no longer hold about Okonkwo and all the other issue them for this one Chinua Achebe that so country people them. Who come back for Douala? Na for local syntax say wait say hospital Sebek de Bonaberry. Na for the story happen. What it can happen for them? So mommy they were 62 years old. It only 6 who take it picking the come abandon it for hospital for Sebek Day. Abandon it take Tokyo past 2 weeks. Woman is sick, no money take care. Chop where the chop. Now people they call and say that people they work for hospital. Now them they give the chop. Clothes where them. Now them they give clothes for washing. no money take care. So now they decide for talk say, hello, for phone say this so that mommy don't die. It begin, they run, take Tokyo, for can carry die body, go better. That means they like na die body, they prefer say that mommy die. Now the mommy this. Hôpital Protestant, that means now, c'est bec for Bonaparte, they contribute them. Now this problem happen, now the mommy this. Our doctor, they don't call for telephone, talk for a picking and say, when a mommy don't die, when I can't take die body, they say, eh? He don't die? Amen. So they come now, can't take die body for their mommy. Wonderful palaver. Physical factory for 58,775 francs contributed. 58,775. Now I get picking that we can't ban for hospital. He comes say with Massa. A master can't stand for the talk say, no, he been a voisin. They say na lie. They ask Belmer. Belmer says some beau fils. Say na beau fils. For that matter, so look kako for mommy. They can't take care. Go down. For them now see that beau fils with the black clothes. They come on for loom. They so contribute them. They come on for loom. Can't matter. Can't issue the way it fits the happen. When they talk about it, they all man come on and see. They say, yeah, una own witchcraft. The come on for daytime contribute them. We abandon your mommy. Talk then your mother-in-law. You talk to your mother-in-law, no be your mother-in-law. Now instead of the man that with black clothes, you see. Now you know that with that black clothes for this country people, they want to talk about them for this kind. Martin and stay for them with black clothes today, and they will try to hide the face safe. Now in we say this one lost work for together, my middle over 6 spend money for the mommy so country people. Then kind by kind situation for the ace mommy they abandon until the telephone say don't die before they can't take their body. After 2 weeks, wonderful palaver, we ask one nurse. You see the mommy be coming now how? The mommy be enter that hospital now how? Now Mokube Robert, youngest chief, asks the question. Unaye ti when this nurse a talks and I first receive the mommy. No na so tell me here.
Now for my office waiting mommy me come me be then I one. Now me I first receive you after I send you for some my colleague. That my colleague, they ask you, say, mommy, you come so for this year, a time with the Santo, you get them so. Now, how you go be with you for year? That mommy say, I don't come me one, I don't get me no person, I come na me one for hospital. Then that my sister take care for you, so that I made me for hospital. Since we are made it for year. Now we, next with the doctor, they will take care for you. No man, no do it, they can't help you for year. Chop money, even they go chop bread. Now for hand for people that where they work for Sebege, they come. If they go work, you go wash. Now people they help you for wash. Anything where you want time. Even put light. Now we will go put light for your room because it not be the worker say. But now by the grace of God, we don't start workers small. Where it talks because it not be defined small. But that way you don't overstay for yesterday. They don't find the way people the way that they will see. They not understand. But where they see number for telephone for some book. Now they don't take that number. We don't take the number. We call some woman. We tell the ask the woman say who that mommy will be there for hospital. Like the name this. We let them say that mommy don't die. Before that woman, that girl will answer the phone. He said, but they call me down. They say that mommy don't die no. That mean you know about die. Now where they come die.
See, they call me that time say it don't die. That means it don't be die. Now we don't last die. It's okay. Come taking on and now we don't die true. They say no, me they put her for mortuary. They say okay, they'll call Janamiri. That can say happen. Tell me what happened after that one. Tell me.
That's all you talk. Then that doctor tell you say now me doctor I call you that day. If nurse don't call you say that mommy that me I call you now say I don't come for work for morning time. I don't meet up with that mommy don't die for 6 o'clock. Now me I don't make paper. Then they get the talk say make them move. They take the mommy they put her for mortuary. Then the doctor talk say how they go take okay. If you talk say make they put her for mortuary, for we not put trauma you come for mortuary. So if when I no come you call gendarme they come for you they take the cup. Before you start beg for phone say no I beg. When I no call gendarme wait with the camp. Before you see them, they come to sote. He moyo to talk say no be na in-law, but na he picking neighbor. After he talk say he damn mommy don't call his chef for workplace. Since 6 months today, they don't want him for work. Don't move for workplace. Say he get plenty money. Wait time his mother-in-law be sick, he give 50,000 for every month. But today you mother-in-law don't make, they don't move for work. So that is that boy don't come in like some kind of land for here. I'm telling where that girl they come for here. But the one ask that girl, the girl that talk say, when I mind when I business here, no be na when I business. Now me personally ask to say, who can man in business for here? Because the mommy na mommy off for here. So may they take time because this mommy where they so we don't get come up for our hands today. So if the mommy we not see the mommy, thank God I say cannot don't come for Seberia because the people the way that they handle that problem, they go kill the mommy. But we don't want to say the mommy die because the mommy must live and he will carry his grandchild them. time. We don't want to make mommy die. So they take care for that mommy.
That mommy no go die country people. Then we follow up. He said this palava. As soon as I get about town, we go follow all thing when they take place. We tell una country people. Like Kentini Hospital. Now this night where they so picking the phone tone, they go chakara all thing. All that Soviet they front like Kentini Hospital. They don't broke them so country people. And this morning time, they stand up for up the sell thing where they get for seller. Now this. They don't broke all that. Take with them all the other things they for front like Kentini Hospital. Look at. This mommy, he say he break now for, he turn now for up. All of them come to them, they talk to with them. 2 weeks this, where they give them prayer visit and come out. They say they no go come out, no get place to go, now their own chop farm, be that one contribute them. Say that their own chop farm, now be that one. So if you think come up now, so front like Kentini, they say they cause disorder for the pass mark. Where it can take place now, they put them for the night, they bring big engine them too. Big caterpillar and big ngongoro them for carry the cap with them for they throw them inside the we don't cut them. Famous time for go dump them for prison yard to this country. People them now so now with this morning any man just can out hand for carry on in the way if it take for day. We talk now for marketing ancien troisième place where they say telephone them for that side this country people them. It can happen for them a big wahala for that side two country people understand. I said they build a dash on top container. Yes, hear that. On top container, they put down. On top of down, they build a dash. Now for instance, troisième day, play the telephone portable. You see how? Wonderful palaver. Can't wait, can't take place with the way. Build a on top container for that. Say, how manage to do plenty for finish. People them say they so the day way, they container they go rotten. Let me say, all thing go chakara for that say pass mark. Wonderful container pillar for day. I say this one match the portable for this. Build out in on top container. Wonderful can matter. Thing the way can take place with the ask and say how they go do. They say they go do how and like how for this country. People them with all the matter they way they so the risks now for some put them quarter pass mark so they build a task on top container for this country put this order they totally even for Marché Congo they way carpenter they do their own for corner road today the tomb for corner road you can get in the corner road to this country people them then apart from that one they come out go for Marché Dakar to it happen after Marché Congo na Marché Dakar will go where it happen na palava for say this so sector for Fiperi and all the other issues and therefore inside total disorder next week I mean tomorrow we'll bring una image them how a Bonamusa they don't be after the fire will be shown for una live and direct for the whole night the following winter will show and what will happen now we'll bring the image now tomorrow for show now how the people them they struggle themselves for build their store them back because no man they help them and with that Marché Bonamusa they been inside the market where they say they go broke and all build them like how they build Marché Congo too. Come on now go for Kasala Farm. This morning time, big compound for when a calabot they catch fire from one room, then burn the whole place. So Sapé Pompier the camp wrote for enter. Ain't no did it at all, like this. Look the way they handle them for enter day. Jangongo will stand up for road. They send you, connect them for the enter, get access to the place. Sapé Pompier they climb on top of the house before they quench fire. They come up say when neighbor they really do all what they fit do for try for struggle for quench fire day. Out in born inside the house television, birth certificate acted in his hands, so all picking them born. Television or fridge out in inside that BP saying that for some neighbor when tenant he has locate on one room with fire start with that boy don't lock and go for go tackle from Kulununde. Start now for that say smoke way he come up for go school for morning time he open a sea and start the shout say fire country. And people them before neighbor them come out, people them come now, they go do how? Out in don't burn. Say pot for this we call and see the so topsy banana and sauce that I mean granite soup don't finish all burn on top fire the country people them with the situation stand up for the whole Calabar money burn for the past mark. Yes, document for picking them. Birth certificate the all thing burn this morning time so as I get time when a Sapé Pompier can now struggle to lift their ngongoro now for road because access no day for pass. The one in a kakure for neighbor the way they fear me the fire nourish for their own house. They carry the kakure now to run for outside. They say better house, empty house burn. Then we find different house put to kakure inside down for say me all thing. The man lost all thing for that side so country people them. Now situation that way can't take place where they call and say Kasala Farm what way people they struggle. They carry their own thing them for go keep them. The people they their own thing them kakure them burn off inside house. Now cry, be their own music now for this will be cry na cry they for talk serious so they don't lost all thing don't do them for the country people them. So now for your neighbor they be carry water for inside well for go quench the water for the quench fire water. The kind of water, and so for quench the fire water. Another fire na from down there, big depot de gas from down the day. Catch fire burn the other day, and then now people them wanna sabi see this so not only put the quench fire for come right they struggle for come bring their extinguisher them for come help for them, and then all gendarmes them especially gendarmes for peloton routier motorisé. Wait is chef sapeur for them now co-peloton them say abe c'est major for that side that is struggle to for quench the fire for that side. Gas boat to be explode like bomb for Ben Laden. Like this. Look up. Already want to see 4:30 for morning time. Oh, as soon as they put the gas, bomb society bomb about 6 or 7 boutique them for center from ground there sep contribute them. Gas boat to be just explode anyhow. Explode anyhow. Look, I'm see that's people they come out for come kai for down there na them be struggle for see wait if you do for try for limit fire may not continue the attack neighbor attack other people for corner so contribute them. You see now this one we come out for come right in at them it is struggle the way they feel struggle for day when I sabi say unity for sapeur pompier never be from down there it go be but now na come right they be struggle now for quench the way they feel do the one where if you try for this whole country people demand so population we did I say oh man come out from 4:30 for morning time fear say the home ground they go embrace sute e go finish people them oh man come out can stand the look for that side day and a chant them national routine them leave their work for routine do other works for country people for that side there so yeah it talk about our time for them wonderful can about talk to go for place where they call them city so now for betwa them wait happen for Betwa as na some mystic tree for village where they call and say Mambaya na some mystic tree where they cut and know the fall they say na for they will all pouvoir all power for that village if they contribute with donation. This tree for Mambaya Kona Barrage Lokpanga they all cut and they say na some pastor for Pentecostal church now you don't go stand for the toxicity say this so may do for the contribute them say this so may them cut them because this tree so over which that kind very kind way they go to come for Bafu, then they finish all traditional culture for them. When it happen for the chief commoner stand up for this, this tree is all power for that village. You need 1-4 because they don't cut out, they need 1-4 visitors say all power for that village in for day. And they need to give for touch that tree because they cut that tree, they succeed for throw and down, plenty people they could die for that village. So and Nasabi say all pigmen of that side day from Mambaya day. And then some kind of way for that side, no man no give for touch. They are careful them for this whole country, people them side by side, and the way the team can happen up when struggle. Do the way if you do for that side the tree saying gang and not the shake. Saying gang and not the shake country people them. We go back for Boya now. That situation for Boya where Matute Gabriel Mbonde kill Ipapa. We don't show now from the very first day. Kill Ipapa. Wait till it happen for the country people them. Now say chief them, traditional chief them for Boya, they don't hold meeting. They debate now on whether they go drive the whole family of Bakwelan. Say that cutting around for Bakwelan. Say that for say maybe Bakwelan, maybe they put them bring Badan for Balok for Bakwelan. Better they drive the whole family of Bakwelan in this. Now, Chief Justice Endeli will now be paramount chief for all the Boya people. You see, you don't can't stand with front of their body. He put head for down, bow down for this. Say never see this kind of thing. No one day. So they carry and so come out with the inside bush they contribute. Carry now come out the inside bush put a stroke for talk the way thing they happen for them. Well, Peking cut a papa a neck, a head. Cut a papa head. Cut can continue for this to contribute them. True. Mommy they say never see the kind of thing. For scare palava waiting. Palava say pardon sell house. Well, the Peking banga the one finish it. Smoke banga so they. They get some name to that Colonel Buba, so they call it. Say, Paron say house not tell him. Now the Baghdad, they see him for corner road. If choose mobile railway come back, they carry their body go put on front the office today. Now, whenever they bring Paramount Chief of Boyade, Chief of the Bakwela, nice small sister this. It choose mobile until they did it. So that part don't ties way, neck, head no day for you again. They go to now put on for the tighter leaf there for their mouth. One after two, the whole Boya town become on the I said the whole boy time come out. So now as I talk on so the whole no see the mommy that she na mommy that for the beginning with the holy soul. And the mommy that for the beginning the holy soul, say the soul, woman for the papa, and with the whole now retired man, he don't go retirement as wada. Guardian the prison we don't go retirement. Say don't say one house. We talk say he said the house safe. Now blood that a place that they be caught killer for that place. So boya this so country people. So now meeting day way it go on now for Boya town day where all chief they talk say they decide to don't take decision say they go drive the whole family move them for Bakwere land because they want bring Balok inside Bakwere land so country. So they depend on see which way they go last do 2 and 2 for them. We go from Bunda. Buddha, what did happen for Buddha? They country people then. I say rain for tornado pass mark. They do it. They move head house and oh plenty to check out and kill even shrine them for inside their pig farm. Now this country people then. Heavy rain will fall from Buddha town. Oh boy, this rain will are still supporting. That means now good for rain avangu. A fall for they do wonderful canteen. Wonderful kind one so. As this man is struggling for talking about, Chakara placed them for Mundata, move head house them, move can get in. Big tornado for this so country them. Big tornado. Look up. Baby tree themselves it ram. Targeting them it ram. Imagine say rain and tornado Chakara tree the way they see now mystical tree themselves for that side. Move head house them. Chakara people they have stored them. Move all their calculations, scatter all things for bush, contribute them. Wonderful thing the way a come they happen place the corner from Bunda. They will, oh man, just declare and cry for the care station in the way a happen for place for the corner from Bunda. They so country we put the truth explain them. We'll come back for day after we this so Africa could don't fix them for we fine for this so innocent beggar doctor. So mommy don't lost. Not true. This mommy lost they define it. They say hate, you know they select. Better we must move the part on the ever talk when the crash eye. Maman Ndale Jeannette, âgée de 67 ans, disparue depuis le 15 février. Elle s'exprime en français et en langue mbo et présente quelques troubles mentaux. Elle portait un ensemble de tissu pagne de couleur vert citron et des babouches blanches aux pieds au moment de sa disparition. Bien vouloir contacter les numéros de téléphone suivants 79 36 96 74, 79 36 96 74 ou encore le 96 93 77 78 93 96 93 77 98 96 93 77 98 en cas d'information là concernant et ceci compte très forte récompense. On a more Francis contribute them. And also the end of today sends to the BBC cap the ever bend na for sideway head the go. Thank you plenty. Summer bless Prezi for you they do. Thank you Madame Bakari for the activity. Thank you for the support and all the advice them. Country people go better, someday no worry. One day. Amos bidide for more internet too. Na innocent baker doctor director for we do all image editing for we man a chef for service social for this Equinox. Then now Virus bidide for technical side the country people them. We get person where they call it so Alain Zingi. As they put now for internet as from 6:30 this evening down or see pidgin news for Equinox. So internet they country people them. It was there for this matter too. Or on even www.mastertalktalk.com they now get all and the history all things from the first day pidgin news be start to on a fit call we 2 4 we no but we they appear for Equinox television on that screen for give you plenty information will come there and on time for capture and for our country people them. Thank you plenty anyhow we dey Bullet Steph HTC Mukube Robert they assist me for this one Ogala be the cake time country people them if you see my back my belly there for front inshallah.